This is the 13th video in my series on alternating current. In this video, I'm going to take a look at voltage, current, and instantaneous power in a purely resistive circuit, in both the time domain and phasor domain. You will find this topic, along with others, in my course entitled Basic Fundamentals of AC Circuit Analysis. You can access this and my other courses on my Stan Store at this web address. If we were to plot the current and voltage for a simple AC circuit consisting of a AC voltage source acting on a resistor, it would look something like this. Because the resistor simply and directly resists the flow of electrons at all periods of time, the waveform for the voltage drop across the resistor is exactly in phase with the waveform for the current through it. We can look at any point in time along the horizontal axis of the plot and compare those values of current and voltage with each other. Any snapshot look at the values of the wave are referred to as instantaneous values, meaning the values at an instant in time. When the instantaneous values of current is 0, the instantaneous value across the resistor for voltage is also 0. Likewise, at the moment in time where the current through the resistor is at a positive peak, the voltage across the resistor is also at a positive peak, and so on. At any given point in time along the waves, Ohm's law holds true for the instantaneous values of voltage and current. And the voltage phasors are plotted in the upper right-hand corner there, and you can see that when the voltage source is at 0, so is the current. We can also calculate the power dissipated by the resistor and plot those values along with the voltages and currents. Note that the power is never a negative value. When the current is positive above the line, the voltage is also positive, resulting in the power equaling I times R. Conversely, when the current is negative below the line, the voltage is also negative, which results in a positive value for power. Negative number multiplied by a negative number equals a positive number. This consistent polarity of power tells us that the resistor is always dissipating power, taking it from the source and releasing it in the form of heat energy. Whether the current is positive or negative, the resistor still dissipates energy. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. A lot of those products reside on the new e-commerce site called Temu. Temu is an e-commerce platform managed by a Shanghai-based company, PDD Holdings Incorporated. It operates with a network of suppliers, logistical partners, and fulfillment experts. This structure enables direct access to wholesale prices for customers, resulting in cost-effective purchases across a wide variety of products, including tools, fashion, beauty items, home essentials, toys, technology, and much, much more. As promised in my previous videos, I'm going to feature an item or a tool from the Temu site. This tool has been featured on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and various other sites, and I think it is a very handy tool. I only wish it was available 30 years ago. Have a look at this video. Temu is positioned to be in direct competition with the other e-commerce sites out there, including Amazon. Now, you'll find the internet ripe with all kinds of evaluations and experiences, both good and bad. I'm not featuring Temu here to extol its virtues or its problems. What I can offer you, though, is a chance to objectively evaluate it yourself. For that purpose, I'm providing you with this link where you can go and download the app yourself and explore the benefits. You will also find this link in the description below, as well as in my bio. If you use this link, it will entitle you to a $100 coupon, and search EX107142 to find the wire stripping and twisting tools. Use the coupon to purchase this tool and get the item free. What's more is you'll have coupon dollars left over to apply other purchases. Furthermore, you will experience the joy of free shipping and free returns if you intend to return the item. This will provide you with an absolute no-risk trial. What have you got to lose? You only got to gain. For a little or no investment, you can do your own evaluation. Keep following this site, as I will be exploring Temu along with you and providing you with ample suggestions and comments on the availability of everything that I find useful in the way of tools and other things that I find in regard to this site.